Hey guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today I bring you another tea. You know, izingane zesithembu, labantu laba bayangistressa, they are really stressing me out. Hey, so sana with the latest episode that was released, episode yang 21 July 2024, it's going down. So now it's the last supper. You know, most those reality shows, it's giving a reunion type of vibes, you know. So it's the last supper. They are just sitting there, you know, and by the look of things, it looks like the season is about to come to an end. So, you know, reality shows barely, they need to be on the same place to just, you know, muntu nomuntu nje akhiphe okusenhlizweni. So they were supposed to be eating, but no, it's always the drama as usual. First of all, Utirelo arrives late. Now people are not eating, they are waiting for her, you know. And Gesana of you guys is like, you know what, she is doing this on purpose. She is just starting drama, and really, she is doing this on purpose, guys. You know, when she got there, she was not even sorry about it. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I was late, you know, I got held up in days in Jalunji just to cook up some story. No, she just got there, you know, doing a catwalk, and people they were praising her. She looks nice and all, but she was not even sorry about it. She kept them waiting and waiting for her, you know. Now herself, she even said she was putting in a little extra effort. So I guess she was still busy with her makeup. She said she was putting in a little extra effort because it's the big day, you know. So girl arrives late, she's not sorry about it. And then Usne starts a drama. You know, Usne is going to give me hi. They are seated there at the table. Usne is like, so she is talking to Uviki. She's like, my sister, why are you here? The drama. Uviki is Vuyokazi's friend. Usne is like, my sister, why are you here? Like, who invited you here? You know, why are you here to push an agenda? So Uviki doesn't want to answer that, you know. She just goes here and there. She's like, no, you should have asked me that the first time I got here. That was your chance. So today I won't even answer that. Usne is like, no, I want to know why are you here, because nobody invited you. So now girls, she is just, and I feel like she was not fair to say that, because Naya, she also came with her friend Anish. Just her friend is just so laid back, enjoying the trip, enjoying the food and all the activities. She doesn't even include herself that much. I feel like, you know, for Uviki, my sister, why are you here? It's because she is including herself so much in other people's drama. She is the drama. She is including herself so much in other people's drama. Guningi, you know. And so when Usne was asking Uviki, why are you here? Vuyokas is just there sitting, not saying anything, and I feel like she should have just said, no, she is here as my plus one. And you now is as a plus one. But the problem with she is not behaving as a plus one, you know, just like Utirelo said. Utirelo even said, see, this girl is not behaving as a plus one. Now she is behaving like the main character, and she is not the main character. Now she was invited, you know, so she was just supposed to be acting like Unganigasne. I like what this girl is doing. She's not including herself, she's just eating, I'm sure maybe taking pictures, and enjoying the trip nje, just offering support to her friend. Now I guess she had episodes where she was being the drama, but it was really not that bad, man. It was not that bad. So now Uviki is like, no, I want to set the record straight because Mpumelelo lied and said, Mina, I made them broke up, Vuyokazi, and it was not my fault that they broke up. So I just want to clear my name and all of that. And guys, Mpumelelo, the person who should be talking and engaging in all of this, is just quiet. Mpumelelo is quiet, and like when Vicky speaks, he is blushing there and hiding his face. Oh, this guy. Now he has turned iskete, Mpumelelo uyasithanda iskete. So Mpumelelo is just there, like not even giving them attention. He's quiet. So now Uviki is trying to explain ukuthi she was not the reason these two broke up. It was because it was a lot of things, and it even included parents, and that's where Abongwe was like, no guys, I really don't like where this is going. I don't want us to include our parents here, and I feel like they shouldn't have done that, because the parents are not there to defend themselves, and then it doesn't even look good. So Uviki was like, no, I'm not the bad person here. There was a recording of Umama Vuyokazi and Musa Mseleku, talking ukuthi this girl is not good for Vuyokazi, she's a bad influence and all of that. And guys, Vuyokazi is just so quiet in all of this. She is so quiet, So as Uviki is explaining there to Usne, because Usne she is just asking questions, So now Abongwe is like, guys, can you please, Umpilontle is like, guys, can you please eat? Guys, remember Pela, Umpilontle is the person who was inviting these people, the person who was organizing this whole trip, So she's basically the person who's in charge of this thing. She's like, guys, can you please eat and stop speaking about Into Zaga Mpumelelo? Because now the main character, Pela, is quiet. Uviki carries on to explain, I'm not the bad person here. I'm just here to clear my name. All of this and that. And Brilliant is like, guys, can you please eat? Yeah. Usne starts the drama now. Usne is like, yeah, Lana siya pretendelana. It's like, we are all pretending here. And then they ask her, what's Usne? She's even talking with food inside her mouth, and she's just like shouting. You can see all the food mixed there inside the mouth. Hey, guys, so she was eating with a fork and a knife. Manje, she's pointing people with the knife. She's like, yeah, siyapretendelana la kule tafula. Hey, nina ma siblings wami ngiyazi ukuthi aningifuni. As Usne, it's always the same thing. It's always the same thing with Usne, guys. This girl seriously needs professional help. She's giving those kids who always want attention. And she's like, yeah, ngoba mina ngifundanga, guys. Yes, Usne, guys, no one was like, akekho umuntu bekavimbiwe ukuthi angaye esikolweni. Usne is like, yeah, they are disrespecting her because she doesn't have a mother, she is not educated. And then Aulwana Abongwe, I like what she said, ukuthi no one stopped her from going to school. And she's the one who fell pregnant. And guys, even after having a kid, you can still go back to school. You can have a kid, and it's just good they raised her kid for her, she can just continue going to school. But no, she wants to be the drama. She's like, yeah, you guys don't like me, you don't love me because I don't have a mom. Guys, Sneh is not the first person not to have a mother. We are all living with that pain, and we don't have to blame other people for our behavior. And it's still early, guys. Sneh can still go back to school and get her matric, maybe study online, because vele ukuthi nje agqoke uniform, that's just another story. But she's causing drama, she's pointing people with knives, even Abong was asking Sneh, what's happening? Like, why are you behaving like this? And then Mpumelelo is asking Sneh, are you holding a grudge? Like, what's wrong? Do you have something that you want to tell us? Sneh is now shouting at Mpilontle, you don't love me. When I come to your place, you ignore me and you are busy with your cell phone. Mpilontle is like, Sneh, we spoke about this. I thought we were over this. Why are you still speaking about this? Sneh is like, yeah, you don't like me. Guys, Sneh is giving those kids who want attention, and she wants special attention, and she didn't get that growing up. And guys, you can't get special attention. Your father has a lot of kids, so you can't get that special attention that you are looking for. But she's giving those vibes. And imagine, like, when you are visiting someone, you want them to be looking at you straight in the eye and say what exactly? No, Sneh needs professional help. Like, she needs professional help. And Mpumelelo is just so quiet in all of this. And hey, Guningi, yes, Guningi. Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi were just quiet. Maybe they didn't have a script for this episode. We are looking forward to the next episode to see keep on. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one.